All right, let's hope that the sun doesn't go down while I'm chit-chatting with you guys really quick. So this is just gonna be about, you know, random questions that you guys have been asking me lately, along with like my plans for the holidays. So let's start with the plans for the holidays first, since a lot of you guys want to know that. You guys want to know what I'm giving for gifts, you know, for his family, my family, as a minimalist, as someone that's saving for a house. To be honest with you guys, I am not doing gifts anymore. I give out gifts for birthdays, and that is about it. I mean, we do celebrate Christmas, do not get me wrong. We go to his mom's, we spend time with family like it should be spent, with family and eating and relaxing and just the comfort of one another. But when it comes to gift giving, I have a total different perspective on this. Basically, I just don't like the fact that the holidays are about gift giving. I'm over it. And I don't want to say that it's a chore, because it's not much of a chore. It's more of like an unnecessary gift, if you really think about it. We are all only doing this gift giving thing because it is tradition. It's been passed on forever, and these stores love it. They eat it up. I mean, there's a whole marketing for Christmas time, if you think of it. I don't know if it was last year. There was like a couple years back that in the US alone, the month of December, Americans spent a good it was like $2 billion on Christmas gifts. I don't want to go too into it because I know a lot of people won't agree with it and they'll probably get offended. So I know what you guys are probably thinking, Kira, but you have a niece and nephew and eventually you're going to have kids. How are you going to do this with them? I do think giving gifts for the little ones is cute and they do look forward to it. But I do want our future kids to realize that the holidays aren't about gifts at all. Even if they do get gifts from others, I just want them to realize that you don't need gifts to make you happy. So that's something that him and I will discuss further notice when we eventually start having kids. Another thing that I do plan on doing more is, like, for the holidays, is cooking more. Like, cooking more for my family, I should say. Instead of bringing gifts over, bring cookies or a lasagna or something like that. It always helps out the household, you know, one less thing for them to make or buy. Food is always a good gift, I would say. I think with me being vegan and me giving out vegan food, my family never really eats vegan food, so they don't necessarily know how certain things taste. So I do get a kick out of bringing vegan lasagna to them, and they try it and they're like, this tastes like regular lasagna. I'm like, yeah, it does. But I'm like, but it's a little bit healthier. And the same thing goes for the cookies. Like, the kids will eat the vegan cookies and they're like, these are really good. And my niece knows that the things that I cook are plant-based, and she's just always asking me like, Auntie, how did you put plants in this cookie? How? So I always have to explain to her, but it's like a learning process. So cooking for me is actually really fun, especially with me being vegan and surprising others with certain meals. So it's really fun to bring food over. So that's kind of something that I want to start doing more. Again, and it is comforting. How is my weight loss journey going? And that is still going. Losing weight has been a huge struggle for me. I know you guys, you know, tell me I don't need to, and thank you so much. And I don't want to make this about like, if I lose weight, I'm gonna feel so beautiful and amazing about my body, myself, I'm gonna wear bikinis all the time. No, this is about my health. I did go to my doctor's and she did tell me to lose 15 pounds. She said everything else is healthy. I just really need to get on a healthier track with, you know, working out and stuff. And I have this tendency to always fall off track or always give up easily when it comes to working out. V right now, he's lost a lot of weight. He's been running. He has a better mindset with this than me. He's doing calorie counting and all of that stuff. And for me, I am lost. I tried following him. I tried copying what he's doing, and I end up just like wanting to pull my hair out. I'm like, I can't do this. This is not for me. I mean, long story short, I'm trying to find my path towards this weight loss journey. I did fall off of the intermittent fasting. I'm gonna get back on it. I was stressed out one week and I was breaking out a lot, and I just like, I was eating whatever and whenever I wanted to. So bear with me on that, you guys. Working out has never been my favorite thing to do, and running and none of that stuff, but try to find my motivation here. And it's definitely been a struggle, but I have created a decent workout playlist, so music is a great encouragement. So I got my fingers crossed that helps me out. I did download a workout app, so we will see. I wish I could afford a fitness, like a professional trainer. I would love for Whitney Simmons to train me, to be honest with you. Either Whitney Simmons or Fit by Mel. And there goes the sun. It's going down. Yeah, so I wish I could afford a personal trainer, or wish I could get some help with a nutritionist, but it's expensive and it's something that I just can't afford right now. So another frequent question you guys have been asking me about is, why do we have 2 cars and why can't we just get rid of one? I am not getting rid of my car and he's not getting rid of his. He does his own thing with his car. He goes to jobs. Sometimes he goes to jobs in Salem. I'll be at home, and there's sometimes that I need to go grocery shopping, or I need to go to the doctor's office or the pharmacy, and I don't want to take an Uber, and it's really cold out right now, so I wouldn't want to walk. So I just think for us, we're just keeping our cars. That's just how it is. I know a lot of you guys have suggested to get rid of them, and I'm just like, no. I worked really hard for my license, for driving school. I did everything on my own. I didn't get any help from any family members, nothing like that. Funny little story. V was the one to teach me how to drive, and then after that I went to driving school. So it's been a long journey, and I am damn proud that I have my own car. I'm proud that I have my license, and I love the freedom factor of it. 2 other questions which I'm gonna combine right now is, how is my hair care journey doing, and how is my skincare journey doing? Those journeys are doing great. My hair is finally healthy. My ends are back to normal. They're not dry anymore. I did straighten my hair today, but it's something that I do want to share with you guys soon, especially with my skincare. My skin has been doing great ever since I had that whole breakout session, but I'll get back to you guys on that. Again, I like to finish products and then tell you about them. I don't like to just show something like 2 days with me using it, because I want to get the full effect. And the same thing with my hair. There has been a product that I have been using religiously since September, and I have not said a word about it. And all these products I purchased with my own money, but I will let you guys know all the details on this and this soon. Oh, I also want to thank you guys for pointing me towards Hiram's YouTube channel. If you guys do not know who he is, he's a professional like skincare expert. So he is the one that has been teaching me a lot about ingredients, about skincare, and what I've been doing wrong. So thank you guys so much for that, because I don't search YouTube like that. I'm usually like, I will watch the people that I'm subscribed to here and there, and that's it. So thank you. Another frequent question that I get asked a lot is, when am I gonna start doing like other videos rather than me just sitting here and talking to you guys, like vlogs and, you know, things that I used to do in my old apartment. And to be honest with you guys, I have lost the motivation to do certain videos. Vlogs, I really got discouraged because a lot of you guys were messaging me, some people being really rude, saying my vlogs were just too long, they didn't have time for that, and it was just a mix of everything. And the vlogs that I were doing were taking me a week to edit. Again, I'm a one-woman show here, and I have been taking a break with vlogs because we haven't been doing anything. Literally, if I were to vlog what I've been doing, you guys would be like, what was the point of recording that? Because I will get up in the morning, I try to exercise and take a shower, edit some videos, write video ideas down, answer comments, messages, emails, cook dinner, lunch, take a shower again, go to bed. You know, that's just been my days lately. We'll do a little bit of grocery shopping, but we've been in and out of the stores. I don't want to be in the stores more than 10 minutes, 5 minutes because of the virus. And I don't treat the stores as, you know, fun. I treat them as like, we gotta go, let's go in and get out. So I haven't been vlogging, I haven't been doing any of that because lack of motivation, and I haven't been doing much. And the last question that you guys have been non-stop asking, and I don't blame you guys, the question is, when is V and I gonna have a baby? It is very personal. I'm not ready to be a mom, and I feel like when you have that feeling, you shouldn't be a mom. You shouldn't try. We're both not ready, I should say. He's focusing on doing this real estate thing. I mean, look at the tiny place that we live in right now. This is no room for a baby. A lot of you guys are saying that, you know, Kiri, you're already 29, that's already getting up there in age. Not necessarily. I see a lot of people, like for instance, his sister had her first baby at 32, 33. She has 2 kids now, and she's like 36, and it worked out for her. I feel like the older you get and the older you have a kid, the more smarter you are with certain situations. I can just picture, like, if I was to have a baby at 21, my mom had me when she was 21. I can just picture like what that kid would have went through, because I wasn't even like all there, and I wasn't the adult that I am right now. So I know you guys are trying to relate me to other YouTubers and stuff, and I'm not ready. We might have a baby when, who knows, maybe when I'm 31 or 32 or 33. I'm just not ready as of right now, and I'm not rushing it. I mean, we're trying to get our life together, especially with, you know, when this whole virus hit, it changed everybody's life, and we didn't expect to live here. Like, that wasn't the plan. If you guys go back in my other videos of last year, my plan was for us to move into this nice big 2-bedroom apartment that was down the street. But then COVID hit, and we realized that we can't afford an $1,800 apartment, you know, around that time. And we're just doing our own thing. We're just staying here, saving our money, and, you know, taking our time. A lot of people can't say that, and a lot of people don't understand that. I am very proud to say, and be able to say, and not be afraid to say it, that I'm not ready to be a mom. I don't want anyone to take this the wrong way. I do really love kids. I mean, I do want to be a mom. I definitely do, but I'm just not ready. So you guys, please stop asking. When the time comes, I will announce it on here. I mean, you guys are part of my family now, and I will announce it. Trust me, I will not keep it a secret. I will not have, you know, a hidden baby from you guys. I promise. Anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's not much of like my other videos where you're learning something. It's just a little update of my life and stuff, and also answering your most asked questions. So please don't take anything I said in here the wrong way. Have to put that there. But I hope you guys are having an amazing holiday season, and I will catch you in the next video.